and his kids.
It's a two-way traffic.
No. I don't like that shit of women who record married men. Why are you recording the man? Why? What are you trying to prove? Do you want to torment his wife? Eh?
No,
Bruno, si buli mukazi alina eno wano. Okitegedde?
This goes to you. Listen, you side chicks, listen. If you're dating somebody, you know he's married. At least have some mercy on his wife because she's innocent. She doesn't know you. She's out there taking care of that man. Much as you're also taking care of him. But she's spending even the most of the money many of you use. So give that woman respect at least. Don't start recording the man's the married man. You know, at least if you want to ashame for the respect. Don't just record men. Like, you know the man is married. See or tutamalo, you're recording him. And there are those who even go ahead and post and send these things to the wives of these men. What kind of stupidity is that? For real.
It's
really embarrassing. It's annoying. It's so I don't even know, man. It's so embarrassing. How do you get the guts to record a married man? I don't get it.
Wawulideko mukazi omu Mukongo yatta bbawe. Wali bbawe abadde akwana kawala wabweru. Okitegedde ako kawala ne katola tatu ya manya ya oyo musajja. N'agitekako tatu n'akwata kifaananyi n'asindikira mukazi we mu bufumbo. Era mukazi ye n'atta musajja wenyini.
Like, it doesn't make sense.
Yes.
For real, Aleti, let me tell you something, Aleti.
Era banji ba blaming up.
Kano njagala tukwogeremu babiri nze nawe. Aleti buliriza. Abakazi abali oba side chick. It's okay. You can, if the man comes to you, have him. That's okay. But don't start blaming the married man. Why did he come to me? Why did you accept him in the first place?
Why, Bruno? You see, you're missing the whole point.
No, why did you accept the married man? You know this man is somebody's wife, somebody's man. You accepted him, so do not blame him for coming for you. Don't blame him.
Let me tell you, Bruno. You understand? No lumbo mwana muwala ono. Most of you don't even tell them the truth. Omwala agenda finding out. You guys have even gone the first round.
Dash Limbu says they insist. They insist. They insist.
But Abasajja, you're the problem, by the way. I'm telling you. Because those are who are go
So Aleti, are you supporting a woman who would record a married man and post?
Because what? No, don't.
Why?
I would. Let me tell you. If you lie to me, you're married.
No. I'm saying the one who knows that this guy is married. She knows.
No, that's
he knows. This guy came to her and told her, you know what? Of course, Abasajja Baba Limba. He knows when he tells you he's married, you're going to say no. So he's going to lie to you. He's going to lie to you things like, he is lying. He's lying. No. And many of you dating married men, I will repeat this to you. Listen, ask yourselves why after having sex, he leaves in the middle of the night. He is going back to the love of his life.
Okay, but
he has finished coming. Listen, he has finished coming. Now he's going back to his woman.
Your question. You're going back to the love of your life. Why not focus on the love of your life so that we don't point fingers at each other? Why don't you like first nurture that relationship? Sometimes you've been in a marriage for a while, maybe kutama, right? Why don't you nurture, like rekindle, like that fire back instead of like going outside to cheat? Because at the end of the day, all women are the same. They are the same. You have this mentality of you need to keep changing women. You can always communicate to your partner. Can we at least role play? I want to I don't think cheating is it's really
Aleti, can I share to you a secret? To this, actually to all the women that are watching this and those that will watch this live. This is what happens, ladies. This is what happens. When men are horny, they lie a lot. Listen, when we're horny, we lie a lot.
Yeah.
But guess who? There is that one woman we don't lie to, the woman we love. Whether we are horny or not, we do not lie to that woman. So guess what? If you have a man you're with, Every after you have sex, he moves away from you. I need to work. I'm going in there. I'm going back home. You know the man you're having is not your man. He doesn't love you. You know what happens if you're lying close to a woman you love? If you make out with her, you feel comfortable to even sleep. After that, you're just going to want to run back to your home. That's what happens. You get? That's what happens.
Yeah.
Many of you ask yourselves why these married men you're dating leave you in the middle of the night. After they finished making out with you, after they finish coming, they are going to the love of their lives. They are women. That's when his mind comes back. I have my wife, or I love my wife, my kids are home. I'm sorry if this is going to hurt many of you, but it's the truth. He's renting you an apartment. Why does he leave in the middle of the night? 3 a.m. Where is he going? Back to the love of his life. Kubanga business ya mwajimazi.
But well, anyway, this generation is just very fucked up. Kubanga, it doesn't make sense. I mean, can't you just be happy with one person? You guys always want to go, like there's a thrill you're looking for. Oshege, ever. And whether you won't believe it, but it's mainly men. Now, anyway, nothing to be called. So.
Hey everyone. Hi Bruno. Hi Aleti.
Hi.
This is Trifin.
Hi.
No, that's my
Driving. Hi.
Okay, how are you guys? How do I put on that video, Banang?
Let me send you the camera. You save it. Just save.
Bruno, that girl has the hottest body in Kampala.
Just save. Yo. Hello. Wadotuwuliriza byetwogera.
Biwuliriza ate nina bingi byakwogera.
Tandika mukwano simulula.
I'm on both sides. Men are naturally hunters. Whether they have one woman they love, they'll always chase. God created them like that. So whether they love you,
but I don't want to try it. But we know the woman we love.
Exactly. Men are naturally hunters.
I can sleep with 8 women, but I know the woman I love. Here.
So
and when she calls, I move. When she gets annoyed, my whole world freezes.
Definitely. So
yeah.
Men are naturally hunters. Whether a hunter ina yasejo enjovu na ajakula banga yagala kakayiwa, he will go. Men are naturally hunters and they're created like that. But also men know women they love.
Yeah.
And women have failed to understand that men know who they love. Men won't stop cheating and it will never stop. I believe that men who do not cheat, but there are also men who cannot live without cheating. We cannot say all men are bad or all women are bad. We are equally bad. Men have done worse things and women have also done worse things. Our generation is generally messed up. Women do funny things, men do funny things, but we cannot conclude, oh, Abasajja babi. Have you heard what women do to men? Have you seen what women do?
No, tell them. Women keep coming here. By the way, every time I put on this live stream, I don't like this issue where women come and say, men are this, men are shit, men are pigs. And I'm like, don't you think women do things to men out there? If
there are good men out there in the world. That's why you find people being loved right, being done good things to. And there are good women as well. But it's because the generation jetulimu bagamba abaganda balina olugero nti omwana omu bw'afuna olubuto ku kyalo avumisa ekyalo kyonna. Not because abawala bali ku kyalo bonna babi. So our generation tuizo generalizing because one man hurt me doesn't mean that the next man is gonna be bad. It's because we have a lot of expectations. We have led the internet to lead what life should be. We do a lot of things because Olia in bawe yamugulide motoka bawe mugaga no yagalo mugaga abavu babate abavu sibasajja. So a lot of generally our generation is really messed up, but I believe there are good men and there are good women. And also about this thing of recording, honestly, if you know you're dating a married man, you have rules and regulations that abide by whatever you have agreed to. So some girls bagala proving a point ku bakazi abali ewaka nga Bruno bwabadde agambye omusajja bw'aba ayagala mukazi we abasajja asobola okuteekamu ssente naye nga takwagala. All he needs is to come adde wake w'omukyala we okitegeera. So I think we should stop this narrative of men are bad, women are bad. There are good men out there in the world as well as good women in the world. And then I also heard you talk about recording. It's not really nice. It's unnecessary. If you guys know mwine nkolagana je mwina, you don't need to record each other. Mwakeera ne mutesegana nomanya nti oli I know musajja or I know mukazi. You want a thing. Let a thing be a thing and a real relationship be a real relationship. Omusajja ayagala omukazi wo wewaka ne bwana kugamba mbu takyagala takola ki nga bazaala abaana babiri basatu bana oba muwuta. Like you dance, you do not really pick line. Because these men come here and tell us, oh, I love you, I don't like my wife, oh, we are separating beds. 1 minute omukazi alina olubuto olulala, oh munange okimanyi notuukiriza amaka. That's us being dense. Our generation, I feel like we're educated women, but we choose not to see things the way they are. We want to be naive by default. We want not to see the reality of life. Like Bruno was saying, omusajja amanyi omukazi gw'ayagala. Ate omusajja asobola okugamba ebigambo ebirungi ng'ayagala kulya buli ng'akimanyi talina gyawo.
Many of them don't know this. Women, this is what women should know out there. There's so many men out there who lie, especially when he's horny. He's going to lie to you a lot of things. He's going to lie. That's why some of you mwekanga babatute on trips abroad, expensive trips.
Hi Bruno, hi Shannon.
This guy will do anything because he wants to get into your pants. He was ready to, and the moment he's done getting into your pants, he's going to get back to his senses and be like, I know some friends who have ngambara kulaba muwala batukembara naga kali nabadde nfaachi man. After that really happens.
Girls have antennas thinking bwaba avuze okuva e Kampala mpaka banjagala. My dear, a man will even pay anything for you to just have you nenga takwaga. So we should learn respecting ourselves. I think our generation.
Also, I think you should teach some of your sisters, the women, how to retain a man, how they should know that this man really loves her. Some of them don't know to retain such a guy. Some of you women have messed up with men who love you. Nimuononera their next girlfriends or their next wives. You mess up and fuck up this man's brain that even when he gets the next girlfriend, he thinks that all women are messed up.
Yeah.
Some of you get good men and you fuck them up real bad. You mess them up so bad. You get a guy, he's there, he loves you, he's showing you everything, but you just decide to be stupid. That's the truth.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I think it all goes back to hurt people. So when I find Bruno, you've been hurt by several people back then. When I come to you, I will judge you or you would judge me by the people you've been hurt by you before. So I feel like our generation tutambulira mu kukwana kulumya manyo okukwana omuntu omulumyerwa kw'abasajja abalala bakulumiza nawe nosanga nga bakulumya n'ofuna omukazi. So it's really complicated, but we women we always know who love us. We see the actual green flag. But then at the end of the day, abakazi nga twagala batuwabi red flags ne red carpet. We see that these people
now listen, I don't know what really happens to you women. When you love a woman so much, listen, when you love I think women are used to being on tension. She will get a guy, he's calling, he's caring, he's there, he's doing everything, and then she'll be like, Techimala. She needs that man who doesn't pick, ayomba, mudamu bino, akolabiri, takwata masimu. Like, I just don't get it with you, women, and how you do your selections. Yes, Dashlyn, who have been seeing you in the comment section.
My camera has failed to come on.
Let me see. Let me try to send you camera. Let me see. Let me send you a camera. I've sent you a camera.
No, we know that people don't have
Pazo is on his drive. Alikukubo, guys. Same with Aleti. Aleti's battery has died. She's going to charge, then come back. Like for a few, then she comes back.
The problem is twagala Bruno aino bunyama akola ki nga we have a look like so like a very sexy look. Otanga bambi ababali sexual look ku percent tekabaamu. Then nogwa kota tamala akoto mweka kasta naye alabika bitoyagala natambula naye nenga sente weeri kati nobeera mu confusion nawo wakati.
Somebody says love is a scam. No, love is not a scam. When you meet the right person, love is the most beautiful thing that can ever happen to you. The problem is you giving the wrong people that love. When you give the wrong person your love, it will feel like it's a scam. But when you're giving the right person love, it will feel real. Yes, Dashin, what are you saying?
I was saying these men are narcissists. They have a tendency, even when they're not sorry, they will say I'm sorry and they'll repeat it every time, once and again. And they will come and they will be like, I'm sorry, babe, I cheated, I didn't intend to. Then he will do it again. And if you never get to know, they will never let you know. They will hide it when you get to know. They'll be like, I didn't want to tell you, but it's you I love. But they don't love you. They don't. They're narcissists.
Anibu, don't.
There is a guy here in the comment section. He says that you should talk to his wife to stop slapping him. Why would you hit your man? Women, what's up? Why would you hit your man? Some of you women who, I don't know how you were raised. Why would you hit your man? Why?
Well, the thing is, I feel like
because when you hit your man, you are getting that, you're driving away his masculinity. Why are you hitting him? For what? Why are you hitting the man? And it also goes back to also men who hit women. Why are you hitting your woman? She's an adult. Talk to her. Don't hit your woman.
The thing is, it's because men do not have a lot of people ababa wolereza that, you know, women, everything advocates for women. Ne waliwo abasajja babonabonera mu maka gaabwe kubanga omukazi ajja n'akyunya omusajja n'omusajja tasobola kuvayo n'agamba omukazi ankuba, because it's always women saying a man is torturing me, violence, abuse and all that. But there are so many men suffering in their marriages and their relationship because women are really not good as well. Because a boy, do you know, like, everything is about a girl child? I don't know who advocates for a boy child. Gojolabe buli omu avaayo abakazi n'okimanyi n'ababaana b'obulenzi babonaabona mu bufumbo mu relationship.
Somebody saying nowadays, you know, I'm reading the comment section also. Somebody saying nowadays women go to the gym. Don't put the blame on the gym. Put the blame on your woman. Your woman is spoiled. Your woman is perverse. Your woman she wants to do that. A bad person is a bad person. Don't blame it on the gym. Don't blame it on her friends. Okay. I've been around people who smoke. You've known me for a long time. Drinking, I've never drunk. Nobody is influenced by anything. You have that demon inside you. You have always wanted it to come out. Just baliba kuwa bwichi, haipojijeyo demon. Temwe kwa sa it was my friends. No, you're just gweke nyine echo kyakulimu munda. Ntisimanya my friends influenced me. There is no woman the friends influence. Kyakulimu oli mwenzi, wali mwenzi. Simanya you man, simanya mbu I was tempted by my friends, oli mwenzi mukwano. Yeah?
Don't influence your actions. We have choices to make. Some things are choices, and choices are not forced or influenced by anyone. Bw'ogamba nti osazeewo kuba mwenzi, it's your choice. Everything in this world is a choice. You can choose good or bad.
At times it's not a choice. Some people trigger you. Some people will trigger you. You'll get a guy, you'll be committed, and this guy will keep cheating. Then you'll be like, I've been turning down dates, I've been doing this to keep myself real. And then you get back to your old self and you keep going out on dates. I don't know, you get the crazy you back. Yet you were like, let me settle down. Then you go back to the old you.
And then I want to tell women this. If you have these crazy guys who are violent, this is what you should do. If you really love your man, my sweetheart, if you're choosing to be in that violent relationship, do not try to fight with that violent person. Okay? kakana, because this is what happens. Temwenkanya manyi, he's a man, he's stupid, because any man who lays a hand on a woman is a stupid man. He's stupid. So, because you have chosen to be in that violent relationship, you have refused to carry yourself out. Because I would never, the hardest people to convince are women in violent relationships. Bas tosobole toina kyogamba basoka mukubaliso byati katebavaayo you even tell her shit and she will report you to her man. She will report you. Those girls, there's something in them. Obachichi, you will. Let me tell you, one time we were at Casablanca, we found a guy hitting a girl. She was bleeding. We beat this guy. Omwana yatukube MP. This chick is literally bleeding. We were saving her. Bro, I got so pissed. I'm like, singa chino chibadde sister wange badde ngendo ochikwata ntwale ku police chine chiwala. Because we met this guy punching this girl. Poop, poop, poop. So me and my boys jumped in, got this guy, ne tumukuba obutala mukwata ku mukazi we banda yo mukazi yatuvuma. Mukuteko wachi, musajja wange mumanyi. She slapped us, threw stones at us. Ningamba ne banange. Eh? I do not.
Bantu basatu vota wabula. Bruno, in this world bantu basatu vota wabula. Number 1, omuntu yenna ali mukwano oyo tebamuwabula. Number 2, omulokole nga yategeera pastor we oyo teusosa. Omuwagizi wa people power oyo tebamuwabula. So otanga kulabu ne bamukuba luno tula wali kubanga bw'obataasa bwe bategeregana ne baddawo bajjangako ka Bruno kadde.
Okay, now first wait a little bit. Let me ask you, waliwo omuntu wano mu comment section awandise mbu walioka ne bakuba. When you see, this is where I tell you, bana muli bazibu. Abantu recording a video ngo musajja akuba omukazi. And then people big saying, what were all those men doing? When the men come in, bakazi b'abantu batukuba mutibagala tubatase ku babba baabwe. Mutuleke twemale gogani musajja wange. Oshegeera. Nze nataasa naye kyanzigwako. Bakimalako omukazi yatuvuma, yatukuba amayinja, yatukuba empi, n'atuwemula n'atugamba she's the one bleeding naye omukazi yatuvuma, omusajja wange mukubye waaki, mukutteko waaki, mumuleka nkube, gwe gusoose okunkuba. Chick is bleeding.
Mu bantu b'otalina kuwabula baagalana. Abaagalana bwe bajja ne batugamba nti simunange ankubye akoze eki ng'ogamba bambi sorry genda mu ddwaliro kubanga bwe baddawo wagambako ka Bruno kadde katuwabula ye love yake ekole nga tekalina mukazi katuwabula ki wabula toteekayo kikye wanditudde wali n'okanya omulinda bamaze omukwano mugamba sorry can you go to the hospital. Ne love is some lovers waliwo agambye omuwagizi wa Arsenal
n'abamanyi awabulwa bakubye ffe naye tetuwulira twegumya manyu n'Arsenal yesinga abawagizi b'emputtu. But the bottom line of it all, at least we've talked about so many things, guys, because I'm about to sign out. I have a birthday to attend, a friend's birthday. Wali ku bala lyaffe koma mboga wengenda naye gwe tojja ku bala lyaffe kiki.
Ndi Lagos right now. I'm in Lagos.
Mpozi bojja Uganda ojja kungamba nkulagirire. But it was amazing talking to you again. I want to big up my brother Pazzo. I want to big up Aleti. Thank you guys for showing up tonight. We had a vibe. I'll be back on Monday. Monday, there's this young guy, this young gentleman, Bruno. I think I want to bring him here, maybe Ababuseegu Bambi, and maybe you see what you can do. The other thing I want to tell you guys, I have so many people. I'm starting with you. I need you to join me. I have so many people in my inbox who need help. But I'm thinking, we have so much influence, especially people who are on Chibozi, my people. I have 1.6 million followers. If I can just get 1,000 people like this, and we join hands and say, maybe in a month, let's change a life of somebody, or lives of 2 people, or 3 or 10.
Affiliates.
If you want to be part of those people, just come to my inbox. I tell you what's next, and we see how we can help. Because I have so many people who ask for help, but I cannot help everyone alone. I can't. Bruno this, Bruno, and each one of them has a genuine issue. But I feel like I already said, we can do this stuff together. Among the 1.6, I just need only 1,000 of you who can join me, and then we change somebody's life. Like, we can do that monthly. We come here. Just imagine abantu 10 netuvaamu nge 15. How much would that be? Or maybe 10,000. It would be money that could change somebody's life, you know. So if you want to be among those people, please just inbox me. Let's see how we can help people, because I want to start that starting next year, January. We have to help somebody every month. At least we have to help 1 or 2 people every month, guys. Every month. Yes.
You know what I mean? But that's a nice.
So so I'm calling up everybody who is willing. You hit me up in my inbox. As for that, man, thank you for